Evaluating a company's track record is vital when considering stock investment. Key aspects include 1. Financial performance. Analyze revenue, profit trends, earnings consistency, and debt levels. 2. Stock performance history. Review stock price trends and dividend history. 3. Management and leadership. Assess the leadership team and corporate governance practices. 4. Market position and competitive advantage. Examine industry standing and competitive moat. 5. Business model and growth strategy. Evaluate the sustainability of the business model and growth plans. 6. Historical challenges and responses. Look at the company's resilience and adaptability. 7. Regulatory and legal history. Check compliance and legal issues. 8. Industry trends and economic cycles. Understand sector performance across economic cycles. 9. Investor relations and communication. Consider transparency in company communications. Conclusion: a comprehensive analysis of these factors provides insights into the company's stability, growth potential, and investment attractiveness, offering valuable context for investment decisions.